The Snowstorm by Ralph Waldo Emerson is a colorful and joyful depiction of a night long snowstorm and the art that's revealed in the morning. Announced by all the trumpets of the sky, arrives the snow and driving over the fields seems nowhere to alight. The whitened air hides hills and woods, the rivers and the heaven, and veils the farmhouse at the garden's end. The sled and the travelers stopped, the courier's feet delayed. All friends shut out, the housemates sit around the radiant fireplace, enclosed in a tumultuous privacy of storm. Poem depicts the sudden appearance of the storm and the way in which everyone had to shelter inside. All travelers was stopped and everyone turned inward to themselves and their housemates. Come, see the north wind's masonry. Out of an unseen quarry every morn, finished with tile, the fierce artificer curves his white bastions with projected roof round every windward stake or tree or door, speeding the myriad handed his wild work, so fanciful, so savage, not care he for number of proportions, mockingly on coop or kennel he hangs parient wreaths. A swan like form invests the hidden thorn, fills up the farmer's lane from wall to wall. Mocked the farmer's eye, and at the gate a tapering torrent overtops the work. And when his hours are numbered, and the world is on his own, retiring as he were not, lives when the sun appears, astonished art to mimic in slow structures, stone by stone, built in an age, the mad wind's night work, the frolic architecture of the snow. Outside their homes, the wind, a skilled and powerful craftsman, was working on his structures.